Everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the layout in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you want to personalize the appearance of foobar2000 and organize the interface to match your workflow, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Let's begin. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. Once the program opens, you'll see the default user interface. You can customize many parts of this layout, including playlists, album art, toolbars, and panels. To begin, click **View***, then select **Layout***, and choose Enable Layout Editing Mode ***. A message may appear asking you to confirm. Click Yes * to continue. Now you can click different areas of the interface to add, remove, or replace panels. For example, you can add an album art viewer, playlist viewer, spectrum analyzer, or other available interface elements. You can also drag panel borders to resize different sections of the window and create a layout that works best for you. If you accidentally remove something or don't like the changes, you can return to the default layout by opening * Preferences and restoring the default user interface settings. For additional customization, click **, File **, then Preferences **, and explore sections like **display **, Default User Interface **, and Colors and Fonts. If you've installed extra components, you may see even more customization options that allow you to create advanced layouts. Once you're happy with your changes, simply exit Layout Editing Mode, and your customized interface will be saved automatically. And that's how you customize the layout in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.